It is the weekend before Thanksgiving, and we are actually in the process of decorating for Christmas. Please let me know if anybody else's house looks like this while you're decorating. Boxes everywhere and all kinds of clutter out, but we're in the process of getting the lights to work, and Brandon just came in. He said the strand is working. We thought we had a bad strand, or half a bad strand, and I'm guessing it was probably half up at that point.
It was all the way up there.
Oh, they're all the way up, and half of them wasn't working. Okay, but we're in good shape now. Anyway, so we do have a trip coming up in December. We're going to go see the Very Merriest After Hours. We're going to spend a day at Magic Kingdom, half a day at Epcot, and we're checking into the All-Star Movies for one night, and then we're checking into the Polynesian for the second night. I'm very excited for Polynesian. It's one of those bucket list hotels for us, so we're excited to get to go. But because it is such a short trip and quick trip, we're not going to have a chance to eat at one of our favorite restaurants, which is Ohana. And so for anybody who's not been to Ohana yet, they are a Polynesian style restaurant and family style, because of course Ohana means family. They serve like steak and chicken and pork and peel and eat shrimp. They used to serve it on large skewers brought to the table side, but now they just bring big trays and it's all you can eat. But one of their most famous dishes is actually their noodles. And so I thought it would be fun this weekend to get a little taste of Ohana and get us a little excited for the holiday season, plus getting ready for our trip, if we would try to do some copycat Ohana noodles. So that's what we're going to work with today. And so I'm going to go ahead and enter in the ingredients right here. And so since we've got all the ingredients ready, I've actually pre-measured everything out, which is something I wouldn't normally do. I'm just doing that for today. Normally I would definitely be doing a dash of this and a dash of that, but I am going by a recipe, and that recipe was found on savoringthegood.com, and so I'll link that below as well. But we'll go ahead and jump in. Okay, so I'm just going to start this off by combining the soy sauce, the rice vinegar, the brown sugar, and the garlic and ginger. I will tell you, I added more garlic and ginger than what was called for because I really love those flavors. And so I'm just going to let this cook up, come to a boil, and then let it simmer. And before, while we're waiting on the sauce to come to a boil, I'm just showing the veggies here. We have some shredded carrots, some shredded cabbage, shredded bok choy, and shredded red cabbage. I ended up doubling the veggies in here because I like extra veggies in my noodles. So this is actually twice as much as what was in the recipe. Okay, so we're up to a boil, and I'm actually going to go ahead and add the slurry in that was with the pineapple and cornstarch, and just mix that all together. And then it says to let this reduce for about 10 minutes. So once that's done, we'll come back and start actually making the noodles and veggies. You could actually just let this part go while you're, cooking your vegetables and your noodles. Like, you could just leave it there. I thought it would be fun if we actually took a break real quick and go see what progress Brandon's making. He says he's done, so we'll go see. Okay, so checking out to see what Brandon McCoy has done. Let's see. Looks good. What you doing? Obviously you had to climb up from that side to do that, right? All right, so we don't have many Disney things out here, so we're gonna work on that. We were thinking about getting some like ornaments to put on these little trees. So I got these trees from Target and added the bows to it from Amazon. And we also got these little like picks from Amazon. And then thinking about putting a Mickey head on this.
Thank you. Thank you.
It really is very pretty.
Thinking about putting a Mickey head on this, similar to what we did inside. But one of my favorite finds right now is that we found this at where? Ross?
Yes.
Ross. For $5?
$7.
$7. So, yeah. You did pretty good, babe.
Yeah.
There's the old mums. And clean everything up and take that in and we'll be in good shape.
Yep.
All right. All right, let's go check on the sauce. Okay, so now just checking out the sauce, and it looks pretty saucy. I think by the time it cools, it will be good to go. So I'm going to take that to the side and get ready to start making the veggies and noodles. Okay, so I have some vegetable oil frying or warming up, and then I'm just going to take our veggies and start sauteing those. So we have the veggies all sauteed up. We're going to throw in the noodles, which were pre-cooked. Not pre-cooked. We pre-cooked them. Brandon's here to help me now, so this goes a little easier. There we go. Hang on, we're just going to let it heat up. I'm going to cover that up for a second and let it kind of reheat. Okay, so I'm just going to add my sauce. Save some of it for in case I don't need that much. But I have a feeling we're going to want all the sauce. Okay, so we're ready for a taste test, but here's the bowl of noodles. Mm. They look yummy.
They do look yummy.
All right, you give them a try first.
Those are good.
Are they good?
Mm-hmm.
Are they Ohana good?
They are.
Are they?
They're better.
They're better than Ohana? Really?
Yeah.
All right, let me try. You take the camera.
Got the bowl.
Yep.
They are good, aren't they?
They are good. So, what I think is different on these than like a Chinese noodle is that you can definitely taste the pineapple in it.
Yeah.
Like there's a strong pineapple taste, so you're getting that teriyaki flavor a little bit more than what you would with like a Chinese noodle.
I love teriyaki.
I know, me too. Me too.
Hi, baby.
So you think this is a win?
Yeah.
Okay. Christmas lights up.
Check.
Noodles done.
Check.
Did we pick out a movie yet?
No.
No.
Wings are in the oven too.
Oh yeah, he's making wings to go with this, which
Because Ohana has wings.
they do. They serve wings and pot stickers too.
And I have a.
And we have a Beasley. Hey Beasley, come here. Say hi. All right, that's the best we get.
And I have a honey mustard bourbon sauce I'm gonna put on them.
Well, that doesn't sound very Polynesian.
No, but it has bourbon. It has bourbon in it. So.
That's perfect. Okay. All right. Well, I think that's it for us.
Yeah.
Then, if you try this out, let us know how it is, and let us know what you're doing for, I don't know, for Christmas, right? To get ready.
Thanksgiving.
Too. Yeah, but
Yeah, I just.
whatever holiday you want to tell us about, it's fine.
I can't say what I did in case he watches the YouTube, but I just had to be Santa Claus too for.
Oh, yeah.
A little 4-year-old.
Well, you just said it.
I know. He don't know which one it is.
You said I don't want to say it, but then you said
I know.
Okay. Do we need to re-record that?
No, it's okay. We're good.
Okay, we're good. All right. So anyway, and just another sneak peek. There's our little Mickey hanging out there. So, all right, guys. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.